Hola amigos y amigas, I am Layla, also known as Miss Bohemia, and I'm dripping water all over the place. I am finally off the K18 experiment, and you can view that video here. So I started my wash routine with a pre-poo, and then I shampooed, I bond builded, I protein treated, I purple masked. I don't know how well the purple mask took. And now I am ready for my deep conditioner. So without further ado, I am back with Soultanicals. And today we are jumping in with a Chebe-Ginger Supa Deep Conditioner, and I cannot wait to try it because I've heard rave reviews about it. So I'm jumping in because I'm dripping water all over the place. Ooh, I like it. What does it remind me of? Which product? I can't remember which other Soultanicals product it reminds me of. Ooh, it's very creamy. Yum yum. Clumpy. It's a little clumpy, but then you massage it in your hands and it's good. You know when you say yum yum to anything Soultanicals? That's actually so on point because they're so natural and you can feel it. Wow, this feels really good in the hair. I can't even talk. I can't stick to a thought when I'm talking and applying Soultanicals in my hair just because it feels so good. I keep getting sidetracked to remark on how amazing it feels, and this feels amazing. It's slippy. I love the scent. It's that ginger. The ginger, but it's not like a pow in your face ginger scent. It's like a smooth ginger scent. Do I even make sense? Seriously, if there's like a category for the most sucky at describing scents, that would be me. But I think I'm at least creative with how I describe scents. I go with feeling with how I describe it. It feels good. Ooh, it feels really good on. Girl, look at all my grays. I'm excited. I'm so excited to be able to deep condition again. I haven't deep conditioned in like 6 weeks. 6 wash cycles. That's what I miss the most. Honestly, that's what I miss the most. I didn't really miss having to bond build and protein treat and purple mask and all that. The more steps I can cut out of my wash routine that way, the better, but I will never cut out deep conditioning ever. Oh, this feels really good. It's very softening as I apply it. It's very detangling. So smooth. I mean, I have enough in my hair, but I want to go in with a little more. And it has little granules of product in there. You can tell like of some goodness in there. It's just a very natural, amazing, clean feeling product. Like everything by Soultanicals. I'm in heaven. You know, I have a really good feeling about this mask. Why? I feel that it feels richer than the other masks I have tried by Soultanicals. Can't remember the names right now. Aprotastic Curl Elastic and the Fro Despair Natural Hair Repair. Anyway, what I've tried previously were good, but they didn't take me to that level of hydration that my hair needs because my hair is super crazy high porosity and it's just like insane. So I thought those masks were good. It just didn't take me where I needed to go. And this one feels richer. So I am very hopeful that this one might be the match for me. But let's see. Plastic cap. And now my hot head. And I'm going to leave this in for 30 minutes and the instructions agree. And the verdict is I like it, but still my critique is the same as with the other two. For my hair and my level of porosity, I could still use a deeper level of conditioning, moisturizing from my deep conditioner, I think. And when I touch the blonde bits, it's where I feel that I'm needing that. But my darker hair, darker grayer natural hair that I have, for example, these bottom layers where I have the most virgin hair, if I touch here, the feeling is very different than if I touch here. Very different. This feels moisturized. My bottom layer, the darker hair down here, feels moisturized. The blonde hair doesn't. So basically my natural hair loves it. But had I stayed and remained blonde, it wouldn't be taking me where my very high porosity hair would need me to go. And that's it. Another winner. But should you get it? Yes. You should get everything by Soultanicals. Yes. Oh, I love the smell. Smooth ginger. Yummy. You just want to lick everything. Lick it, eat it. I mean, don't, because if you do, then you say it was my fault. Sorry. No. I digress. I could keep going on and crazy ass tangents because I just love this brand. Feels amazing on the hair. Get yourself Soultanicals. Get yourself a bunch of Soultanicals. I have a Soultanicals playlist here, so delve in, see what I've tried so far, what I think. Basically, I love everything I've tried. So you can see what I've tried so far. I have a bunch more coming up. I have bought so many hair masks, so I'll definitely be doing a lot of hair masks, and I'm sure I'll find the one that's tailor-made for me. All the different porosities of hair on my head. And that's it. Hopefully this was short and to the point. I appreciate you tuning in. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. And stay tuned. Ciao for now.